If you've upgraded your 6th Gen Broncos tire and spare tire size to a 37, well then adding Rough Country's third brake light extension that we have here today is going to be an affordable way to elevate that third brake light, comfortably fit your larger spare tire, and more importantly, retain that brake light functionality. Now the Rough Country piece here will be CNC cut from a thick, heavy-duty steel plating, will be finished off in a textured black powder coat, and can be had right around that $30 price point. Installation is going to be a very simple bolt-on job, guys, so figure soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and 30 minutes at most to get in place from start to finish. So hang with me for a bit, we'll walk you through the job later in the video. So if you didn't know, the factory third brake light on your 21 and newer Bronco does have a little bit of adjustability built in to allow for the smaller tires of a base, but also can still adjust up to the Sasquatch equipped 35s. Now at that point, if you want to go anything bigger, say up to a 37, you're gonna have to look into an aftermarket solution to raise that third brake light, and well, luckily for us, Rough Country was quick to release their extension that bolts right up and does make the room necessary to allow for that larger tire and still maintain your third brake light functionality. Now what the steel bracket will do is basically mount between the spare tire carrier and that third brake light arm to elevate that arm itself and give you that added clearance. Now again, Rough Country did utilize a very thick steel plate here, CNC cut of course, and finished off in a textured satin black powder coat. It's going to allow it to flow very well with the factory hardware, but more importantly, is going to protect that steel plating from any corrosion or rust over the years. Now guys, you have to keep in mind, this is one of a few different tailgate accessories Rough Country has come up with, along with things like their spare tire relocation kit and also a tailgate reinforcement kit as well. So be sure to check those out along with the rest of the Bronco accessories back on the site if you haven't already done so. But let's shift gears and talk about the installation. And as I mentioned earlier, this is going to be a very straightforward job that requires no cutting, no modification. You don't even have to modify the wiring for your third brake light. Everything is going to be a direct swap. And Rough Country does even kick in some brand new hardware to make the job that much easier. But to give you a better idea of just how things will go down on your Bronco at home, check out our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown right now.
Tools for this install: an electric ratchet, a 10mm wrench, a 4mm Allen key, a T30 Torx bit, a 19mm deep socket for our lug nuts, yours may be different, and a impact. We're going to start by removing our wheel, which is going to take our 19mm socket as well as our aftermarket key, because we do have aftermarket lug nuts. With your lugs removed, go ahead and remove your wheel. Now with your wheel removed, that will give you access to your Torx bolts that you need to remove. We will use our T30 Torx bit in order to get them out. Take your third brake light and place your extension bracket in the designated area. Now we will be reusing our stock Torx bolts to secure our bracket, so make sure you hold on to those. And retighten them with your T30 Torx bit. At this time, go ahead and grab the 2 silver T30 Torx bolts and get them into your bracket. And with your T30, go ahead and tighten these bolts down as well. Taking the kit provided nylon nut and washer, we're going to get it on the back side of our tire carrier and hand thread one of our 4mm bolts. Using your 4mm Allen key and your 10mm wrench, tighten the bolts. Using your 4mm Allen key and your 10mm wrench, tighten down that bolt. And now we can get our wheel back on. And that's going to wrap it up for our review and install of the Rough Country third brake light extension fitting your 21 and newer Bronco. For more cool videos and cool content just like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button at extremeterrain.com.